Hi everyone, and welcome to Titan's Controlling Spitting with an Airless Gun video. Today we'll be going over basic troubleshooting to ensure your airless spray gun delivers the best possible finish. Let's start by going over basic airless gun spraying technique to get the best possible coat of paint for your job. Before you start spraying, you'll want to test your spray pattern on cardboard or paper to adjust pressure and eliminate any tails or holidays. Always remember to keep yourself safe on the job site by using the appropriate personal protective equipment. Your spray gun should be held perpendicular to your surface. Keep your gun 10 to 12 inches from the surface. Start your spray pattern just to the side of the surface, fully passing over and releasing the trigger after clearing the other side. You don't want to feather the gun closed. This will produce an uneven spray. When spraying, make sure to use complete passes and overlap by about 50%. If you are experiencing spray gun issues, the first thing is to lock your gun and remove the tip and tip guard. Point your gun into a waste container and unlock the trigger. Pull the trigger for a few seconds and release. If material flows cleanly with no spits, you simply need to clean your spray tip and guard with the appropriate cleaning solution for your material. If there are material spits once the trigger is released, you have an issue with the spray gun itself. Whenever adjusting your spray gun, it's best practice to perform the pressure relief procedure before starting. Then, remove the gun using 2 wrenches. Remove the gun filter, the diffuser, and the needle ball. Clean each with the appropriate cleaning solution. Warm soapy water with latex and water-based materials. Mineral spirits with oil-based paints or stains. And be sure to flush with the appropriate cleaning solution. Connect your gun back to the hose using your 2 wrenches and test the gun in your waste bucket. If the spray gun still spits, your next step depends on the gun. If you're using the RX Pro, you flip the seat and replace the ball. If you're using the RX 80, replace the needle and diffuser. Test your gun in your waste bucket again. As a final note, if you're spraying with water-based materials, replacing the original white tip seal with a black seal may also help control spitting. Thank you for watching the Controlling Spitting with an Airless Gun video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's Technical Service Team.